This unboxing could be epic. Okay guys, welcome back. Look at this. This box is 33 pounds. Right here. 33 pounds of vintage clothing. There's 10 sports jerseys and 50 pieces of vintage shirts. I don't know what it is. I don't know what's shirts or whatnot, but we're going to find out. And then I'm going to get right back into it. But hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit that bell notification. The kids are over here watching, at least one of them right now. But we've been super excited to get this box in here. Yeah, let's see.
Hoping for some cool items and some good profit.
And we got a really good deal on these shirts. I'm not going to mention just yet. I want to see how good it is. Because honestly, if it's good and this all works out, guess what? We're going to buy more eventually. But, okay. Holy cow. There's a lot in here.
So let me get
We appreciate your business.
That's a lot of clothes.
15% off code. There's a lot in here. So, let's get... I really wish the jerseys were on top. Okay, well let's get started. First shirt is a Comfort Colors Frontier City.
That looks soft.
It is kind of soft. Size medium, super cool shirt. Actually, Frontier City must be a amusement park. I like how it has the cracking on there. That's a super cool shirt. This actually is a really cool shirt. Marine Corps Marathon, Washington, D.C., 1987 shirt. That is a cool shirt. It is on a Hanes, or no. That's one of those, oh my gosh, why am I'm drawing a blank. But it's a size XL. Screen Stars, that's what it is. Screen Star shirts, that's actually a really cool shirt. It has a nice little Marine Corps tag on the side. Nice shirt. So far, I'm happy. This is a Hanes shirt, size adult XL. The MS Walk from 1999. Yeah, I'm not sure how that one's gonna do. It's kind of an odd one, but it's a vintage shirt. 1999. Next one. Oh, that's a...
West Virginia.
Oh, is that... I thought it was... It's got little stains down at the bottom.
But you can wash
But...
it.
It's a TSI shirt. Yeah, I don't know what size though.
Might be able to wash it.
I thought it was like Louisiana. That should be like a New Orleans shirt. But that could be... That's a pretty cool shirt.
It's like paint on the bottom.
Yeah, that's okay. Texas. Well, that's a cool shirt.
That's cool. That's like
cool.
water.
Texas. What is that? Parts...
It
Port.
says port.
No, it says part.
No.
It says
It's port.
No, part. That's part.
It's definitely port.
I don't know, but it's a M&O Knits Heavyweight XL shirt. Cool shirt. That's a cool Texas
I
shirt.
think it's port.
Look at this. Las Vegas, Nevada. That shirt's heavy.
It is?
Yeah, no tag on it, so I don't know a size, but we'll put measurements on all of our eBay listings. It's a nice, cool shirt right there. Uh-oh. This is like a Forrest Gump shirt.
Oh my gosh.
This,
Whoa.
look at this shirt. This,
Shrimp kebabs.
Bubba Gump,
Deep fried shrimp.
deep fried shrimp.
Stuffed
There's shrimp
shrimp.
kebabs.
Tempura.
That is a size.
Tempura.
Oh, it's a Bubba Gump shirt. Actual Bubba
Tempura.
Gump. Extra large. Look at that shirt.
What does it say? Forrest Gummo.
Forrest Gump.
It's a good movie.
But that shirt is awesome. I kind of wish it fit me. I would rock that all day long.
That one's cool.
Next up, what part of the word no don't you understand? This is a good one for you. It's a good one for you. 1991 shirt. It is a size large. Oh, it says a large, but there's also an M written on it. Super cool shirt though.
She caught you up. What part of the word do you not know?
Rampo 500. It's one on a jersey shirt XL.
Ramapo.
Nice sizes though. 1976 to 2001. I'm not sure what that is, but That's the anniversary. What is it? Silver anniversary.
It's pretty. Like the box is really heavy, and for all
This
these
shirt's
shirts,
cool. Proud to have served. U.S. Army veteran shirt. That's a size XL on a Bayside shirt. Really cool shirt. Nice
and all these
print
shirts,
on the back.
you can imagine they're really heavy because it's.
No, they're not. Actually, these are mostly the Greasy Spoon Diner. Beer, burgers, and beers.
Where does it say that is? I've heard of it. Unless it's a chain.
It
might
says
be a
why
chain.
drive them. It says why drive them.
A little bit of a stain, but
What does that say? We drive.
I don't know.
Why drive them?
But really cool shirt. Here's a U.S. Air Force, National Museum of U.S. Air Force shirt. Really cool.
Day one.
Nothing on the back.
Day
No size.
Lots of military
Here, leave here
shirts,
for now.
which is cool.
Kansas.
Oh yeah.
Should have been a good shirt for somebody in Kansas today if we're going to St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah.
Really cool. Man, there's a lot of shirts. It's supposed to be 50 shirts, guys. Cape May.
By the sea.
By the Sea. That's actually a really nice shirt.
I like
T-shirt museum.
it. It's soft.
We're trying to get into vintage shirts more. USA Steelworkers, Lincoln, Nebraska. Now that's a heavy shirt. Now that one has some weight to it.
Oh, that. I don't like heavy shirts.
Yeah, that's how they made them back then. That's a big shirt too. That's probably at least a double X.
You want to touch it?
Next up,
They're cold.
Auto
They're outside.
Authority. Potomac Region Time Trials, 1994. Hopefully somebody out there's looking for that.
Wait, hold on. Why did you say that?
Allendale, AE. What is that? Is that American Eagle?
American.
I
No.
guess.
Fruit of the Loom best shirt.
No jumping on the couch.
It's Al N. Come here, Michaela.
W.D. Crowley's Moonlight Run, 5 kilometer. Actually, a nice little cool shirt.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
Have you saw it?
Here's a nice one. St. Martin, N.A., the Islands of
That's a
Paradise.
small shirt.
It is a small. Well, it actually says it's a medium, but it's from Caribbean Tees. That's probably a really nice hit.
I always think it's that nice. Does it like show everything?
Here, but just leave them in there.
That's a neat shirt.
1980 Lake Placid. Well, I'm not mistaken. That should be the year that the Team USA won gold in hockey. But it's also an Olympic shirt too. It's a really nice piece right there. That is a size 2XL. That doesn't sell. I might actually wear that. The 50 Class Club. I did it for 30 and I'm feeling nifty. It's a YMCA
That's
from
thin.
Elkhart County.
Why
That thing
double
has
this?
definitely been worn.
Dad, why WCA, not YMCA?
There's the young women's.
What's this? Living
America.
Young, Wild, and Free.
That's cool.
I like that actually.
Well, I don't know
Looks
what
like
size
it's
it
a
is
girl
because
fit tee.
well, you
too.
might be used because I don't know what size it is.
I want that.
Sarasota, Florida, coming in hot. Coming in heavy too, and stiff.
I don't like stick.
Mango Bay shirt. That's nice. That is a cool shirt. Don't worry, I'm gonna pick all these up whenever we get back.
Plow truck.
What's this? Washington D.C. All the buildings. That's a pretty cool shirt. It's a little small and really stretched out, but
Michaela likes to jump in the pile.
I'm excited to see these jerseys once I get to them. If you think I am strange, you should see my parents, Washington D.C. We've got a lot of Washington D.C. shirts.
That's awesome, Mom.
Michaela, please get up. Hawaii. That's actually a really cool shirt.
Sorry.
Ooh.
It's actually a really
Pretty.
nice shirt. 1991 Hawaii shirt, size XL. Next up, 1995 Grand American Trap Shoot from Ohio. What city is that?
Vandalia.
I don't know where that's at, but it's a 2X.
Vandalia.
Another U.S. Army. Oh no, yeah, I'll get a U.S. Army shirt. What's this? Army Strong. That's actually a really cool shirt. XL.
Dad, can I hand you the shirt?
Bahama shirt. Has a little stain. Still nice, cool looking shirt though. Iris Garden. It's like a painting.
Are these all men's?
No, I don't think so. This is a weird shirt. That has a cat with a pink like purple.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
That is a.
That's
Is that a Siamese cat?
a creepy cat.
That's a.
I don't know if it's Siamese, but it is maybe part Siamese.
I have
It's
no idea
very
what that
weird
shirt
looking.
is.
That is a creepy cat.
Supposedly these shirts are their shirts are not picked over. They're just at random. And I feel like we've gotten a really.
She's like eating it.
It's a weird like cut too. I feel like.
Well, there's.
1 in a million. Mom. Top. This would be a good shirt though for come Mother's Day. It's a large. Maybe you guys can buy it off my eBay store and give it to Mom.
No.
Thoughtful.
Mom's not large.
The Good Life guitars. Oh, that's a nice. That's actually a really nice shirt. I don't play guitars though.
She does.
Next up, Seattle, Washington. That's actually a really nice shirt too. No, I don't know the size. Don't play. Next up, that looks like Abe and a guitar. It is an Abe.
It's too short.
It is Abe and a guitar.
What the
What
hell?
does it say?
It's very interesting.
Abraham Lincoln.
Abe Lincoln rocks.
Abraham Lincoln Presidential Library and Museum shirt.
Abraham Lincoln rocks. Da da da.
Next up, we have a Nestle Crunch United States Disabled Sports Team shirt.
That's awesome.
Then we have Ocean Quest, Florida. This is actually a really nice shirt too. Oh, it's actually. Oh, it's a.
Muscle tee.
Yeah. I'm gonna wear that to the gym.
That's totally
If it's a
the
2X, I'm wearing it to the gym.
shirt you wear.
It's a large, so I'm not wearing it.
Well, maybe you will a little bit.
Maybe. We're getting there. Stratford, Connecticut shirt and a beefy tee.
Whoa, these are cool jerseys.
Oh, I like. Oh,
Cold.
we're almost down to the. We're getting there.
They're very cold. They're very cold. Yeah.
1991 Howling Goose Run.
Inside.
Small shirt, really cool. Sorry guys if I'm just going a little bit quick, but I'm trying to get through them. Taco John's, more than you imagined.
No, we don't.
I don't know what that is. If you know what Taco John's is, comment below.
You're right.
MSLA tournament from 1992. Shady Side. Oh wait, Shady Side Academy, Fox Chapel High School. So Peters Township Lacrosse Club, Swickley Academy.
Ooh.
Those are all schools near
Yeah.
us. That's crazy.
Then
Where
we
are
have
these from?
Friskies Partners for Life. That's actually a really cool shirt.
I don't know where
Vintage shirt.
these are.
These are all vintage. I don't know why I'm saying vintage.
They're from It's
Here is a JBC Jazz Festival shirt from 1995 from Newport, Rhode Island. The Ministry of Silly Walks. I don't know what that is.
Must have been a band or something.
The next one is a vegetarian from Las Vegas.
Cool.
Vegetarian. Ohio. The Mid-American Conference.
Okay, well, this is
Where on earth are they? Oh, I thought there was a logo on that back. Trimble GPS Solutions. And we have Cape Cod, Mass, which is actually a really nice shirt.
I'm getting to the jersey.
Yeah, that's a colorwear shirt, large. There's a lot of jerseys.
I think that there's a penguin.
I don't know.
Looks like it.
Snowbird, cool shirt. A lot of these shirts I'm gonna have to do measurements on my eBay auctions because there's no size tags. Oh, look at this St. Thomas shirt. You're gonna have to come in closer to this one. That's a cool shirt.
Oh, that glitter.
Ooh, Dad.
Let me see. That's actually a really cool shirt. That is a size medium, large,
Large.
large. Diamond Dust. Okay, guys. Oh wait, no, wait. Okay, I think we're actually at the jerseys now. So there should be 10 jerseys now. Don't give them, don't. So we're gonna show you these. I don't consider this a jersey though. Chicago White Sox, Jostens Sportswear. I don't know if I consider that a jersey. I'm hoping that's considered one of the shirts, but we'll keep track. Let's see if that's a shirt or a jersey.
Here, I'll count them.
Now, this is an old school Rawlings.
Why did you say Steelers?
Steelers jersey. Look at this thing.
Who was 57? Or
That's
is
a
that
really
just
good question.
Hines?
That's what I'm thinking. But that is an old school. Look at that. That's an old school. Did it focus?
Yeah.
That's an old school. Look at the tag on it. Super cool jersey for the Steelers. That's probably a really good hit right there. Then we have a Royals, or right? No, Dallas. 21. I don't know. That's a generic jersey for me. I might have to look that up. It's a medium.
Actually, looks like it's in pretty good shape.
It is.
So is that vintage?
I think, yeah, it looked like the tag was vintage. There's a basketball jersey. New York Knicks, number 7, which is Anthony. Which is Carmelo. It might be Carmelo. Nice NBA jersey, though. I don't think it's vintage, but it could be.
Anthony?
I don't know if the jerseys are really supposed to be vintage, but.
We have 2 jerseys already.
Peyton Manning.
No, 3.
Denver Broncos, size XL. It kind of looks like a kid's, though. Yep, youth large. Which, guess what? I love selling youth large jerseys, though. Nice Manning. I do like the Broncos jerseys. They just signed Russell Wilson.
That was counted as a jersey.
It is a jersey.
No,
Here's a James
the first one.
from the Arizona Cardinals. Thinking it's Edgar and James, I think. I love selling jerseys.
Yeah, that one. These are all counted jerseys. The one they picked out.
Here's a Cowboys jersey, number 31.
That's big.
It's crazy because one side's like the gray, one side's the blue. I don't know what player. A little bit of peeling on the number, which these jerseys do have that a lot, but they still sell. And it's the Cowboys, so I'm really happy with that one. Then we have, is this Lamar?
Here, hold my hand.
No, oh, that's a throwback.
Run.
Baltimore Ravens, number 9. Comment below if you know who it is. Steve McNair. Tragically passed away. Okay, we got one more after this.
Counted.
So, New York Yankees. It's a Sophie's Choice large. Right there. Really, that's a really cool shirt. And, last but not least.
Wow. It's really nice.
That's a really interesting.
It's like Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico. It is huge. It's a 2XL.
Show them the consistency of like the stuff.
That's
Wow.
huge.
Yeah, it's like heavy
plastic.
vinyl there.
That's big.
And the big one.
And that's it. So,
Empty box.
overall, I have to say I'm pretty happy with this. How many jerseys did you count?
I seriously counted 8 in here, so that meant that there were 2 more left over there. So I think that one was actually counted as a shirt.
I counted 10, but not counting the first one.
Okay, so we might have actually got a. So maybe they didn't count the Chicago White Sox as a jersey because there was supposed to be 10 jerseys and 50 shirts. So while you were watching the video, count the shirts. Did we get 50? Comment below. I think we should have, though. So you don't need to count. But yeah, how do you think we did?
I think we did pretty
How do you
good.
think we did?
Well, I don't know how much you spent on it.
I'm not
so I
going
don't
to tell you
know.
how much I spent either. But
I think we did good.
you think we did good too? Michaela, how did we do?
Do you think you'll make your money back?
Yes, definitely.
I think so. I think there's some really cool shirts in that pile there that we should definitely make our money back on those. I mean, definitely some really cool shirts. I mean, it's going to take some time to list and measure and stuff, but I'm going to do little by little. 10 shirts, 5 shirts a day, if that, maybe more. So, yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you guys liked it, hit that thumbs up.
You wanna do
Also,
it?
subscribe to the channel.
Give
Comment below, because maybe we could do this again some other time with you guys. And it's so weird having somebody film you, because you start getting all up in my face, and I don't know how close you are.
Daddy,
So,
have Michaela do it.
but remember, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and
Keep kicking!
bye.